Dollar Latino ShipOwner 519. We have now the Fed not cutting interest rates. Many like Candina Group investing profits in MicroStrategy, Bitcoin, and Europe now is going to cut interest rates. Yes, they are not going to cut 21% VAT. They are not going to cut printing money. They are not going to cut 50,000 government buildings in Spain, which are 40 million humans having a house 24 hours per day, not being occupied by government workers 6 hours per day if they go to work. So there's a huge opportunity to invest in dollar. Why? Because it seems that it's going to keep falling and falling and falling. Therefore, if you are now being an intelligent investor, dear ShipOwner, and you invested with this policy in Asia, both ships trade in Europe or trade in America, we have these issues in Asia about the war of and then there is a different competitive disadvantage, which is that the planes are going to be full this summer. Who's going to bring here Indians and Chinese and Filipinos? Why, you can do that and pay 3,000 euros for a ticket. But then we can think intelligent, the intelligent investor, and think about, okay, let's keep it US dollar, but let's go Latino and the Spanish, and let's mix it, and let's try to have, let's say, 60, 40, 30%. Why? Because now it is the possibility, like for example, LPG has huge exports of LPG from America to Europe, record. Why not invest in having your own pool of Latino LPG crew? Why? Because you are an intelligent investor, dear ShipOwner, you should attack. Of course, the people in your office will not allow you, dear ShipOwner. That's why you need to contact me direct. Let's do things direct. It's much cheaper, much more efficient, and we can talk 24/7. I never take holidays. Thank you. Bye.